know what you're thinking, I know what you thought. Too little money, too much heart. You think that your nobility increases possibility. In spite of you pleading, despite your tears, you'll keep repeating steps till you've conquered your fears. Avoid the mail and lock the door. You swore you'd learn this all before. And as you write about your day to someone who feels the same, revealing all you've never said, you have to wonder if it was even up to you. Do what you want what you've got, but it might not be what you thought. Just don't forget, this isn't it. The songs you're singing, the songs you've sung, the ones you're certain take you to another rung. Deep down you hope that one day soon these songs just won't apply to you. Do what you want what you've got, but it might not what you thought. Just don't forget, this isn't it. Surrounded but alone, unraveling, undone, resist the pending cold.